So if you're obliquing with your flashlight and you think you see one, the obliquing is more of like, hey, I think there's something here. Let me hit it with powder.
Okay.
And then the powder will pop on that print.
Okay.
So it's kind of like oblique isn't to find the print to do processing. It's to help put me in the right area of where I want to process. Hello, my name is Forensic Investigator Jacob Turner. I'm part of the Forensic Services Unit with the Roanoke City Police Department, and this week I'm teaching the recruits all about evidence. You got to be careful when you get to the end of the tape because you don't want it to roll up on itself because then you'll lose your print. So we're teaching them how to document crime scenes. We're teaching them what evidence to collect, what possibly may be evidence. And then right now we're actually teaching them how to process and collect fingerprints off of multiple different surfaces such as metal, plastic, and glass.
You take your flashlight, you'll examine the item for see if any fingerprints are visible. You'll then go to the brush, you'll get your powder, and you'll lightly go over the fingerprint and just to make it more visible. Once you locate the fingerprint, you will take tape and do it at a certain angle to make sure that it doesn't mess up the print. You'll take the tape and you'll remove the print with it, and then you'll put it on the slide.
Nice. That's a really good. Make an ET out of you yet, church? So this is something that they will use every day, just about. They won't be collecting their own fingerprints, but they'll be locating them, they'll be searching for them, they'll be collecting their own evidence, they will be packaging the evidence, and we teach them how to do all of that during this week.
That's a nice handprint right there.
And then after they go through this course, once they get out on the road themselves, they can also go through a 2-week school that we have that is further prepares them and can turn them into supplemental evidence technicians and then potentially replace me up in forensic services if needed. So at the Roanoke City Police Department, we have a full-time forensic service unit. There's 5 sworn officers, 1 sergeant, and then we have 4 civilian crime scene technicians that are a part of our unit. So we work hand in hand with our detectives and CIU by collecting evidence and sharing that evidence with them and help them gather leads to help solve some cases within the city.
I feel like it's going to be very valuable for us in the field to be able to know exactly what the evidence techs do day in and day out, and they obviously make our job a lot easier being able to collect that evidence.